My name's Anna Hayman. I'm a print designer and this is my home. We moved in about 18 months ago and came from an 80s semi into this house, which is built in 1926. So it's a completely different house and we had to start from scratch, which was great fun. These are a few of my favourite things. I like to surround myself with objects of craft and objects of decorative interest that inspire my work. I come from a very artistic background. I've got a very artistic family and I'm usually found holding a paintbrush, or every time my husband comes home something's painted, something's changed. My father's a wood turner and creates twists like these, so anytime I see a piece of furniture with it in, it's irresistible. And I picked up this chair at a friend's antique shop for £10, which was great, and it now lives in my dining room. Another of my favourite things is this little red stove, which was a really attractive feature when we viewed the house because it's so cute. I offset it by painting the background gold so that it really shone out. Our sofas were the first thing that we chose for our house, and when we saw these we fell in love because the colours were just right for a 20s house. We don't really know where the fabric's from. We think it's Italian, possibly from the period. Luckily the lady had 10 metres left over, which we then covered another sofa with, so we had a matching pair. My bedroom's a bit of an indulgence room where I've gone a bit crazy. I wasn't going to have gold leather curtains, but I was walking with the leather in my hands and just suddenly had the idea to use them as curtains. And so I just cut a straight line through the middle and hung them up as they were, and I'm really thrilled with the effect. When I designed this lino print, my husband didn't like it at first because he thought it was too hippie-ish, and I posted it on Instagram to gauge the reaction because I liked it, and then everybody said, he's mad, keep it, it's brilliant, and I'm so pleased that I never looked back and loves it as much as I do. It's been a really fun experience to choose my favourite things. Thanks for coming to visit me today.